There is breaking news in the world in Wall Street that a German company, Wirecard Inc., has gone bankrupt. Wirecard Inc. filed for bankruptcy after it found $1.9 billion missing in its balance sheet. Let us examine this today. Welcome back to Be Rich. Wirecard Inc. was a small payment processing company in Germany. 18 years back, it was processing payments for small time pawn sites and some gambling sites. A man came named Michael Braun came to take over that company and over 18 years converted it into a darling of the German stock market and took it to great heights. It was supposed to be the Germany's answer to Step and PayPal. Over a period of time, it acquired a bank in Munich and also had a card issuing unit in England. The company grew at breathtaking speed and soon replaced Commerce Bank in the DAX 30. Everybody could not have enough of Wirecard Inc. Now it has emerged that the balance sheet was inflated and the supposed $2 billion in cash was missing. They tried to search everywhere and could not find it. Finally, a statement was made that this $1.9 billion was parked in Philippines bank. Later, when investigators reached the trail there, they found out that the Philippines bank denied having any relationship with Wirecard Inc. Wirecard, in turn, said that its chief financial officer had misled them. The documents showing the deposit of $1.9 billion in the Philippine banks was falsified. This is another Enron movement. People have criticized the West German financial regulator BaFin. It is definite that the Germans need better standards of corporate governance than what they have. However, the primary problem is the sloshing of liquid funds all over the world with no place to go. As I have said, liquidity is no replacement for solvency. Companies have to be essentially solvent. Infusing liquidity into an economy beyond a point of time cannot solve the problem. What needs to be addressed is solvency. Companies which are bad need to be allowed to go down and fail. Most of these distortions in markets have been caused by the action of the Fed and Bundesbank by pumping liquidity enormously. When this kind of money flows into the system, people and the central banks start buying junk bonds and bond ETFs. This kind of money flows into highly risky bets, such as stocks, because the investors know that if they win, they get all their money. If they lose, the central bank will bail them out anyway. Wirecard is a spectacular bankruptcy coming out of Germany. Similar bankruptcies have happened in America, which I discussed last week. This is only the beginning of the end, a tip of the iceberg. A lot of companies will go bankrupt before the COVID epidemic ends. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification. And the link to my Amazon Kindle site for my books is given below. You could buy them. If you want a physical copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below. At the very end, if you'd like to get in touch with me directly, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com.